Hello my dear students, in this video I will explain you the basics of MSW logo. I will show you how to open MSW logo, then what are the main parts of the MSW logo window and how to use different commands in it. So first we will open the logo window. For that you can either use the icon given on the desktop or you can click on the start button and click on the Microsoft Windows logo option. So we will open it, click on OK, and the logo window will appear in front of you on the screen. As you can see that we are having two windows in here. The logo window is divided in two parts. The upper part, that is the part which is larger in size, is known as the main screen. We can also call it drawing area or graphic screen. And the lower part in which we write commands is known as the commander window. In the upper part we are having a menu bar in which there are 5 menus, that is file, bitmap, set, zoom and help. We are having 3 control buttons. Then this is the main screen where you are having a small triangle on the center which we call as turtle. Then in the lower part, that is in the commander window, we are having a recall list box in which you can see all the typed commands. Then we are having input box in which we write our commands, and there are some buttons like reset, pause, status, etc. So first we will see how to write any command and how our logo turtle works. Like I told you, some basic commands like forward, backward, left turn, right turn, etc. So for moving the turtle forward, turtle को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए we use forward command, that is FD. The short form of forward command is FD. So in this line, that is command typing area, in the input box we will type our command, that is FD. Then we will click the space bar key. Then we will type a number value. The number value is used to define that how many steps or how much distance will the turtle cover. I will enter here 100. Then press the enter key from your keyboard. As you can see, the turtle moves forward by 100 steps. Now, if you want to move the turtle towards right direction, then we will use the RT command, that is right turn. RT. Then we will press the spacebar key. Then we will assign the degree by which the turtle will move, like 90 degree, 60 degree, 40 degree, etc. I will click 90 degree here for moving the turtle towards right direction. 90. Then click on. Then press the enter key. As you can see, the head of the turtle is moved towards the right direction. Again I will move the turtle 100 steps forward. FD, press spacebar, then type 100 and press enter key. As you can see, the turtle again moved 100 steps forward. This is the way by which you can type the commands in the commander window and make the turtle move. So again I will give the same command. Again move the turtle head towards the right direction, that is RT spacebar 90. Enter. Then FD 100. Again type RT 90. Enter. FD 100. So by completing all these commands, we made a square figure in here on the main screen. These were the commands for making a square. As you know, the four parts of the square is same. That is why I have chose 100 all the times, and all the angles of a square is of 90 degree. That is why I was moving the turtle towards right direction by 90 degree. So by this way you can use commands for making different types of shapes in the logo window. For clearing your screen, we will use the reset button. As you can see, our main screen is cleared. Now you can use other commands for making other shapes also. I hope you have understand the basics that how logo work. Now you will able to understand the chapter more carefully. So students, see this. So read the chapter very carefully. Take care and bye.